Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to ask your students a question in Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the plus sign, and there is actually one that has the question mark that says create a question. And when I do that, then you get these options. Now, what's really nice about this is that if I just had one question that I wanted to ask the class, then I'm going to type in, for example, what are your plans for Thanksgiving? Okay, if I was going to poll the class on that, I can have them respond with a short answer, but I can also give them multiple choice. And if I do the multiple choice, it looks very much like Google Forms. So I could be staying in town at my house, staying in town, but going to relatives. And again, notice on here how easy it is that you can continue to add other options. Okay, so if I want to do that on there, I also have the option that if I wanted to add something to go along with my question, I could add something from my Google Drive. I can insert a video. So maybe if I was doing something about Thanksgiving or whatever, then I could add in a cute video in there if I wanted to. I'm thinking of math. If I had taught a concept in math, maybe I'm going to, before I ask them to do a sample problem and turn in the answer, then I could have a review that they could watch if possible, or I should say, if needed. So this could be great for an exit ticket. Rather than me having to do a complete Google form where I'm asking several questions, this is going to narrow it down to that I'm just asking them one question. I can also have a link. Maybe I want them to go and I want them to look up a resource, so I could have that on there. Another thing that I wanted you guys to see, notice it says see the class summary. So the class could see like annotated options of what was going on. Okay, I'm going to go back to the short answer. If it is a short answer, look at your options here. Students can reply to each other, and you really have to think about that because if you're going to choose that, you want to model that option for them being able to reply to each other and what that looks like. Do you want them to be able to edit their answer? So that's another option that you can give with the short answer. So in a nutshell, that is how you ask a question in Google Classroom.